Hello, welcome again to my YouTube channel. This afternoon I am in Sukowati Park in my city. It's a nice place to relax in the afternoon, sometimes in the morning on holiday. And now this is afternoon here, and I'm going to photograph insects, macro photography using my phone and macro lens, external macro lens, practicing photography to improve my skill. And also I will upload to Microstock to get money from that. As I know, in the afternoon like this, not many insects in a place like this. Better in the morning actually, but I have time now. So I take the challenge to find the insect now in this place because I don't need to wait the best time and the best place to practice photography. As a beginner, while improving my skill in photography, I need to practice a lot. There is a grasshopper here. It's a tiny grasshopper, green color. I try to take it. Okay, I hope he doesn't fly away. Okay, here's the result. I see a tiny spider. Let's try to take it. It must be a bit easier taking photos of a spider compared to a grasshopper because it doesn't fly. But I hope it doesn't run away. This is the photo. It's very nice, I guess. The focus in the eyes is also good. Let's try to find another insect. I found quite big grasshopper here, but it's not green. The color is brown. Okay, I try to take it. This is the photo, quite good, but the eyes, I guess, it's not really focused. And this one is focused. Okay, good. It's another location. I try to find something else. And yeah, I see it's a house of ants. It's a red ant, not a small one, but quite big ants. This is the ants, so I don't only take photo of this. I take footage to sell on Shutterstock, Adobe, and also Phone5. Okay, it's the end of this video. See you on the next video.